Hello friends, welcome back to the channel AK Gardening Passion. Friends, few months ago I have shared a video all about pandanus plant. And in this video we will see about repotting or propagation of pandanus plant. So let's get started. But before starting the actual video, if you have not subscribed AK Gardening Passion channel yet, then subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and turn the settings to all so that you will get the latest notifications from the channel, and don't forget to like and share the videos. Pandanus plant is an ornamental plant with ribbon shaped leaves and it belongs to Kevra family. Pandanus plant is hardy plant to grow and care, so it is best plant for beginner gardeners. You can repot this plant in rainy season, also in winter season, as it gets easily striped. And during repotting you can propagate the plant by either root division in this way. Just see friends how you can divide this plant by root division, as this plant produces baby plants, so you can divide this plant in this way. Just see friends how the plant has developed the baby plants and roots. It's nearly 1 to 2 years old plant. You all can see this plant in previous video which I have shared, that is all about pandanus plant. If you want to see that video, you can check the description box, as I will give the link of that video in description box. Just see friends how the baby plants are attached to one another. Just see friends, in this way you can separate these plants by root division, and you can separately propagate it in containers, pots, and also in land. Just see friends how the plant has multiplied and developed many plants from a single plant. And just see the roots of the plant. So this is the mother plant. This one is mother plant. So now I have almost separated all the plants or divided the plant by root division. If the plant is root bound, then cut some roots to plant it in beds. You can prepare a row, it will look beautiful. So if you want to grow it in bed, friends, I am going to plant those pandanus plants in this bed. So to prepare this bed, with the help of shovel, now I am removing the stones and the particles in the soil so that the soil will be ready. So with the help of this shovel or trowel, you can loosen up the soil and it will be easy to plant those pandanus plants in this soil. While loosening the soil, you can also add fertilizers such as vermicompost or cow dung manure, so that it will improve the soil's condition. So these many are the plants which I got from a single plant. So now let's repot these baby plants at different distances from each other so that they will grow densely. Friends, you can also grow this pandanus plant by stem cutting. The plant should be enough old to propagate by stem cutting. Friends, if you want to propagate those pandanus plants in pot, you can do it in same process. And see how the roots are. If the roots are too long, then you can trim off those roots to short so that it will be easy to plant those plants. And in this way you can plant these pandanus plants at different distances. So at 8 to 10 inches you can plant these pandanus plants so that it will give a dense look. As preventive aspect, you can add fungicide powder or neem cake powder to prevent the fungal attacks on the roots of the plant. Friends, do repotting in rainy and winter seasons to get great success and to avoid the repotting shocks. Friends, while planting these plants, keep in mind that the plant should be planted at least 8 to 10 inches so that if the plant matures as day comes, the plant will produce more baby plants and it will get overcrowded and it will be not easy to maintain the plant. So friends, the planting of pandanus plant is almost done. So plant the plants at equal level. Friends, the plant needs bright or direct sunlight for at least 2 to 3 hours. So plant the plant in that area where the plant will get enough bright light or direct sunlight. Friends, if you buy a single plant, then you can get this many plant from single plant and then you can multiply it in different pots. If you want to grow the pandanus plant in containers, then I prefer you use a square or box type containers and arrange it in rows so that it will look beautiful. And once the plants grows densely in those containers and arranged in rows, then it will look very beautiful, so that you can create the borders side by the lawns also in terrace gardens. Friends, the planting is almost finished, and after planting all the plants, don't forget to water the plants thoroughly. Friends, this was about repotting or propagation of pandanus plant. Thanks for watching this video, and we really appreciate for spending time and watching the video till end. If you liked this video and felt some segment of this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and also share the video. And follow us on our Instagram page, that is AK Gardening Passion. Keep watching another videos on the channel and also do comments. Spread plants and save Mother Nature. If nature can give us, then why can't we?